Day 3 in Bangkok. The plan was simple. Take it easy, soak in the culture, at mag-enjoy kasama ang family. But somehow, yung relaxing temple tour turned into us eating a mountain of spicy pork and fried insects. Tara, let's begin. Una namin pinuntahan ay ang Erawan Museum, known for its gigantic triple-headed elephant. The sun is up kaya bago kami pumasok, pumili muna kami ng authentic Thai milk tea to beat the heat and some snacks na super yummy. You need to go here kasi pictures and videos don't do this place justice. Like, mapapatanong ka na lang, paano nila to nagawa? Gantong kalaki? It's a temple kaya dapat proper yung attire natin. Pagpasok mo, wow ka na lang sa intricate details ng stairs and yung massive stained glass ceiling nila. It felt like you step into another world. There are also some wildlife structure and gardens around the temple na pwede kang mag-chill and relax. Next up was Asian City. It's basically the whole entire country of Thailand na pinagkasya mo sa isang malaking park. We also availed their buffet lunch para busog kami pag magagala na. Pinaka nagustuhan ko was this boat noodle soup station. Super authentic and comforting tapos anli pa. Pagkakain, since the park is over 200 acres, imposible mo siyang lakarin kaya we rented a golf cart. I highly recommend doing this. Bukod sa enjoy mag-drive, you can challenge to traverse the park in just 2 hours kasi may additional payment for every hour extended. Kaya we opted to skip some places. My favorites were the Pavilion of the Enlightened tsaka yung Dasamero Mountain. Ang ganda talaga. Chill on some parts pero parang racing sa iba. But we did it. Di man namin nalibot lahat pero we had a great time. As the sun set, we left the ancient ruins and headed back into the city to Asiatic for some quick souvenir shopping. Dito, nakascore kami ng murang pasalubong, even bought a classic wooden frog instrument, which my nephew really loves. Di pa bayad pero ayaw nang bitawan. Gutom na kaya for dinner, pumunta kami ng Judge Fair's night market and we were on a mission to find one specific dish, Leng Saeb. A literal mountain of pork bones covered in a super spicy sour broth. Grabe! Ang sarap at ang lambot ng laman. Yung tipong mapapakamay ka talaga sa sarap. Dessert? What if parang galing desert? Now, you can't go to a Bangkok night market without trying the exotic street food. Yep, fried insects. Surprisingly, nag-enjoy yung pamangkin at tatay ko. Lasang chicharon daw. Ako? I think, buwang ng niyog. Stick to the mango sticky rice. Oops, camera died. See you on day 4.